Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot MindsEye game issues. So, of course, the first thing you should do is just to update your drivers. If you have AMD, if you have Radeon, so you should download and install the newest drivers, and the same situation with NVIDIA. So your drivers should be updated to the latest version. Okay, then the next step is just to troubleshoot problems with your Steam account. So open MindsEye from your library, then click on the settings button, click manage, and here we have interesting features. For example, here we have backup game files, so you can backup game files. Click on it, for example, then just select the place where you want to backup it. Click create backup, wait a while. Okay, that's it. As you can see, game was successfully backed up. So you can open the folder to find out where is it. And then you just can uninstall the game and install it again. So this is the first and maybe the best way to repair your game. Of course, you can always open the properties. Here you can, for example, try different ways. For example, you can try to update it. You can, I don't know, disable beta. For example, if you participate in beta, you can disable beta participation and reinstall the game. And of course, you have here. So I don't know why I don't have it right now. Verify. Okay, it's here. Right, installed files and verify integrity of the game. You can run verifying. It's all okay, and after that, maybe the most of common issues will be resolved. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.